In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Discord server. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Only the server owner can delete a server. If you don't own it, you won't see the delete option in settings. Also, deleting a server is permanent. All channels, messages, roles, and custom emojis will be removed and cannot be recovered, so make sure this is really what you want to do. Start by opening Discord and entering the server you want to remove. Double-check the server name at the top to confirm you're in the right place. If you manage multiple communities, it helps to glance at the icon and the name together so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one. Next, open the server menu. On desktop, click the server name at the top left of the window to reveal the drop-down. If you prefer, you can also right-click the server icon in your sidebar to get to the same options. On mobile, tapping the server name at the top of the channel list opens a similar menu. Choose Server Settings from that menu. This takes you to the server's configuration area, where all the administrative controls live. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and scroll all the way down. Near the bottom, you'll find Delete Server. It's placed there intentionally so it's hard to hit by mistake. When you click Delete Server, Discord will ask you to confirm. How you confirm depends on your account's security settings. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll be prompted to enter your 2FA code. Open your Authenticator app, get the current 6-digit code, and type it in. If you don't have 2FA enabled, Discord will instead ask you to type the server's exact name. This is a safeguard to make sure you understand which server is being removed. After entering the required confirmation, you'll see one more prompt. Click Delete Server again to finalize. Once you do, the server is permanently removed for everyone, and you'll be returned to your remaining servers in the sidebar. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the delete option, you likely aren't the owner. You can check the server owner badge in the member list. Consider telling your community before deletion so members aren't surprised when the server disappears. And if you're on the fence, closing the window or backing out before the final confirmation will cancel the process without changes. That's it. You've learned how to delete a Discord server safely and confidently.